enjoy football without a cold one. Ice cold, ice cold.
One of the hot spots at Truist Field is the lawn over here behind the end zone. It's filling up. Great night. Humidity is down. So by the time the game starts, this will be pretty crowded.
We are live at Truist Field with John Currie. John, a big night. Talk about the excitement level. You may get 30,000 tonight.
Man, we got an awesome scene coming. We got thousands of students that are already in the stands, getting ready to enjoy the freshman field run. It's really a great scene that really epitomizes what our community is all about.
And the humidity is down. How'd you do that?
I think that was y'all. That was whoever does that back page weather thing in the journal.
Sounds good. You guys have a good season.
All right, thanks for being here. Go Deeks, John.
This is where it all begins.
Yes, sir.
That looks good.
Thank you, man.